on the very beginning, the way I do my family shoots, the very beginning, kids are shy to you, and that you have to take that to use that to your advantage. The way I do this, I always start with the posed images on the very beginning, when kids are still shy to me, they haven't opened up to me. All right, so that's when I'm using flash. I'm using flash. I'm posing them. As I go, I start talking to them. Right, I talk to them. I start to get a little bit of a sense of who is who here on that photo shoot. I have a conversation with them. I ask them stuff. How is school? And what do you like about this? What you don't like about this? This type of stuff. So some of them will open up to you, so you kind of figure out which one's the shyest one, which one's the more open one, that type of stuff. Okay, so use their shyness, their closeness in the beginning in your favor, and start with the posed images. Start guiding them throughout the whole thing. Okay, and one of the things when I'm posing kids, I try not to be very picky about stuff, right? Because if you get to be picky, what happens to kids is this: they're gonna shoot, they're gonna cooperate as much as they want, as long as they want. When they say no, it's done, it is done. They're not gonna do anything for you. Okay, so in that case, I start from the beginning where they still have energy, so things are still fresh, to guarantee some good image right off the bat. All right, so you need to move fast, you need to make it dynamic, you need to make it fun for them.